How to fix the Facebook profile not showing on the news feed. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how you can solve this very problem of yours. First of all, head on to the Google Play Store. On the top search bar, you can simply search for the Facebook right here. So if you see the update option available here instead of the open option, then simply do update it. And after that, go to the second application setting option. And from here, choose the apps option. Now you need to search for the Facebook option here. Now go to the storage section. After you go to the storage section, clear all the data and clear all the cache from here. Now you can head into your Facebook application. When you clear all the data and clear all the cache, your data has been deleted, so you should re-log into your account. After you re-log into your account, then your problem should already be solved. But if it does not show you, then you can simply refresh your very feed, and then you can see that your profile would be seen on the newsfeed there. If not, then you can simply head into the three vertical dots, go to the help and support section, and then tap on the very support inbox option or report a problem button, and then you can simply continue to write what your problem is and send it to the Facebook, and Facebook will send you a reply or feedback after few hours or few days, and your problem should be solved. So this is how you can do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.